What up, though? This Bird Talk. We back here today with three beautiful black women. With three black beautiful women with chocolate and brown skin on the side. We here to talk about why do they cheat. Can one of y'all answer that question?
Why do who cheat?
Women.
Men or women across the board. I think people cheat because they want to. And it's simple as that, right? Because it's a choice.
You know, it is a choice.
It's a choice.
It's definitely a choice.
You can leave or you can stay and cheat.
It's a choice.
So therefore, people do it because
right.
they want
it's a
to.
Choice.
That's right.
But the thing is, women is sneaky with cheating.
Well,
Said from a man. Said from a man.
Can we say women are just smarter with cheating versus sneaky?
Just said from a man.
Y'all smart. Don't tell on yourself now.
Can we say that women are just smarter because, we think with this head and y'all think with the other head?
I think
we grown. Talk. Open
Y'all think with y'all dicks. And females don't, because we think right here. This is where our thinking comes from.
I think it's because our reasonings for cheating is different. A men's reasonings for cheating is because it's sexual and they're thinking of their penis.
Yes.
So a woman's reason to cheat is because she's tired of them and she doesn't feel appreciated and stuff. I don't think it's that because it's a sex thing. I just think we think differently while we're cheating.
Exactly. I can agree with that.
We're not cheating because he looked good and his ass was shaped perfect and his titties were my face. We're not cheating for that.
So y'all cheating for the emotional support.
Usually the reason why a woman would cheat, I've never cheated, but a reason why a woman probably would cheat, I'm thinking is because she's been cheated on. She ain't gonna just go do it.
She's cheating probably because, I would say because she's cheating because she is missing something she's not getting.
Yeah.
Whether it's emotional, whether it's not sexually satisfied, whether she's been disrespected. So there's plenty of reasons why I do believe females do cheat.
So when the last time you cheated?
Ooh.
Been a minute. You don't cheat with that rose?
You know what? No, I don't.
But you know what I'm talking about? That pink, that little flower.
I know, I've heard of that flower.
They say it's better than a man.
I heard that it was.
Yeah, that's cheating.
So you consider masturbation cheating?
I don't do that.
You don't masturbate?
For what? I got good pussy at home.
Well, sometimes your pussy's not always there.
That's good to mine.
As long as you got access to good pussy.
Baby boy. It's good to bird.
Okay, so what about she's going out of town? What about she's going out of town?
Listen, when she going out of town, I'm going to be right with her. Wherever she go, I'm down there with her.
So hold on, so she can't travel by herself?
I never said that. I just said, you actually do I.
What if she had the surgery and she couldn't use her twat for 8 weeks, not 10 weeks?
He'd be faithful.
Spiritual mind, baby.
So you don't masturbate?
No. What?
I do. I like touching myself. I ain't gonna hold you up.
Only time I touch myself is when washing my balls.
No.
Other than that, I don't do all that.
No?
No, I don't. And I
Why
know
is
a
it that
lot of
men
people
don't like
probably
to
like.
masturbate? Damn.
I know a lot of people be like.
You have to put too much thought in it.
You ain't gonna.
I don't.
That's a problem that you can't put that much thought into pleasing yourself.
No, I'd rather have the actual one-on-one.
I got to have the titties,
the
the ass,
you
the
gotta have
mouth,
the whole
the
package.
ears, the fingers.
I like
What you gonna do with the ears?
touch
What you gonna do with the ears?
You gotta lick
shit.
yourself on shit.
You gonna stick your dick in your ears?
No, we gotta lick yourself on things.
What you gonna do with the ears?
But serious though,
I just wanna know what you gonna do with the ear. You gonna
Probably suck on it.
I think, especially this young generation, she hit on something with threesome. Every young girl now, they down with this threesome. See, they don't look at the diseases.
They don't.
Yeah.
They don't look at if they die in a month because you got some diseases just take over.
Yeah.
And when they take over, you're out of there.
But now that I'm older and I know about the soul ties and the spiritual aspect of it, if I have something, it's going to be a poly relationship and it's going to be long term with another person.
So you telling me that
The emotional connection you'll keep with a person.
So you telling me, long as you got them two at home, you good?
Even without them two, with just one, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, if you actually need it, why would you need two if you got that
No,
one?
because sometimes I hurt from too much sex and I need a break.
You need a break, so you just want the tongue instead in the
No, I would like to have another girl tap in and tap out so I can watch and she can take
tap
over.
in and tap out. Like, hold on, bitch, get on in here.
Fuck yeah, you hurt her.
So you mean like you want her to fuck him?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm finna go around the table. I'm just gonna ask
Okay, so you don't want to fuck him. So you don't have no problem with allowing your man to fuck on another female.
And if I was there, no.
But you think he have a problem with allowing you to fuck on another man?
I won't have sex with another man. I don't want to be another man.
Oh, that shit. That's not fair. What the hell?
So look.
It's a lot of respect too.
Well, in that case, then
So you say you don't cheat.
It can't be out of respect.
I don't cheat.
You said that you don't cheat.
Well, unless it's with a girl. Then.
You said
Yeah,
that.
unless it's with a girl. That's still cheating.
I'm not doing it without him.
Still cheating.
Just we are together.
So
with
if I
the girl.
told you, oh, you said you have
I
cheat.
have
That's why I
cheated.
like you so much, and I don't really know. You just
Keeping it
cut the
real.
cake.
Ain't nobody trying.
And I don't know if your cake chocolate or whatever, but you straight up with it.
I'm chocolate baby all day.
You know, but I'm saying, I believe this is just me.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all cheat. And I ain't no pull no punches back.
I think women cheat.
I
I'm gonna say
believe
more
y'all
than
cheat.
men. I think we
Y'all
cheat just as much as men. We have, you know what I'm saying? I do believe that
Come
women
on,
do.
you cheat.
No, you know
Women
what? I don't
cheat
cheat.
better.
Because you know you can find what you're looking for in one woman.
Woman, there you go.
You can turn her
The
to
hot
freak
sauce,
that you
the
want.
barbecue
All
sauce,
that.
the ketchup, the mayo,
Whatever
the
you need to, you
mayonnaise.
can turn one
Make
woman.
that sandwich be so good. I could just
And
eat
it can
that.
just fit you. You know, you already know what to expect, right?
Well,
Right.
that's kind of confusing to me, considering that you didn't have more than just her. So if that's the case, then what do you need the other broad for?
He's never had it with.
Okay, now I'm coming
It's
back
just
around.
He's never had
Why?
it with
Why have you?
So you just said, but no, okay, I'm confused. I'm totally confused. now.
Have you cheated?
I think everybody cheat. You know?
Oh,
You don't think so?
I
I
don't.
think everybody cheat, or I mean, everybody have cheat. I say that.
Hey,
Everybody
Christina.
have cheat.
So when you say cheat, that means laying up in the bed with them. Cause that's cheating to me.
Fucking.
So what about sit on the couch with him? That ain't cheating. Sit on the couch with him ain't cheating.
No.
Sit on the floor with him ain't cheating.
Talking to him on the phone is
he
cheating.
narrowed it down. He's cheated to where it's not cheating.
He cheated, but it's not in the bed, so it's not considered cheating.
I don't get it. No girls talking slick to him. I don't tell them I'm gonna give him a bankroll. I don't do none of that.
You say let's fuck.
I don't say none of that
What you do then when you sit on that couch? Because you ain't cheating in the bed. So what you
because
doing?
I don't even try to turn the corner to get them say, well, I love Big Bird. I love Papa. No, you don't. You love what I have in my pocket. And I talks about this all the time. I get a lot of attention, but I don't, cause for one, I don't want Shauna doing it to me. And then if she is doing it, I don't want to know because
You don't want to know. I don't want to.
I'm gonna tell you why I don't want to know. Because the man I might jump in, it might be the man I don't come out of.
That's true. I
So
put
you,
that name in the rest
shit.
a long
So
time
you
ago.
might.
I feel
It's because it's a thin line between love and hate, and it's insane. I do believe that. So you think that if you found out your girl was cheating, that you would go on a ziggity boom?
Maybe.
No, I ain't gonna go on the zig. I'm
Don't
do like I'm gonna
push
do.
me.
I'm just gonna leave. Now, when I leave, everything just I don't turn back. Ain't none of that. I'm starting off.
So you know it would be the end.
It's gonna be a wrap.
If you find out that she done
The
had a
go-kart
dick in her,
gone,
it's a
baby.
wrap.
The go kart gone.
I'm saying all that. I can't say everything I'm saying. It's too
And
late,
you
though, right?
You know what? I think that's a pride thing from us too. You know, it hurt
Definitely
our
pride
pride.
thing.
You know, I'm definitely
Yeah,
gonna admit,
so
as a
they
man,
cheat.
it hurt my
Pride.
pride.
So
You
you
know,
cheat
I
back.
thought I was all you needed. You know, so I can understand that.
Well, hey, whatever float on the top got to float on the bottom.
I
No,
believe the
but-
energy you put out, you get in return. So you treat people the way you want to be
And
treated.
if you can't take it,
But see, a lot of people was good people that say, Hunk coming up the street, and he wink at, and sometimes I just try to stay focused with who I'm with. If we argue, I still stay focused. If she going through her monthly, I still stay focused
Smart.
because I
you
know.
mad at her?
Huh?
You get mad at her if she's not able to or don't want to do it. Okay, yeah, that's a good question. If she doesn't want to have sex and everything else, or for whatever reason, she doesn't feel like it, she's too tired or whatever, do you get upset with her?
And she
No?
said she has a headache.
No, because I know me, I put it down, I hurt downstairs. I tear that motherfucker out the frame.
I feel you. That's why I got that pin,
I
pin, power.
beat that pussy. And she little too.
Yeah.
I remember she told, she said, damn, baby, you broke my back.
Mm.
She's smart too. So, with all this, whew, Lord Jesus.
Yeah.
Okay. One of my guys said folks do anything they can to get away with it. Y'all cannot psychoanalyze folks to try to figure this shit out.
Well, he should have came on the show since he all down like that. You know what I'm saying? But we, you know, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody got their own opinion.
For sure.
Nephew said he
Think
think
everybody cheat.
everybody cheat. She said she haven't cheated. She said that
She
Because I have.
She
on
said,
the girl.
no, you can't, anything behind that butt doesn't matter.
right.
So you have. Let's
I've
keep
been
it
with
real.
girls.
Anything behind,
Well, you know,
I-
ain't nothing wrong.
Ain't nothing
I
wrong
like one girl. I ain't been with girls, but I like a one woman.
Right.
You know, whatever floats your boat. I don't knock you for liking
No.
what I like.
No, I ain't mad at me either. I like me.
You
so
like
I'm
them
just
squirters too?
saying
You like
shit.
them squirters too? Don't you look.
I like me. I like me.
You like them squirters?
I like me.
you like,
Do you like them
I like
squirters?
everything I do that someone else does.
that's a damn vague ass answer. I need you to actually break it down.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, I want you to break that
I want
down.
to break that shit down because I don't understand. I'm getting more confused sitting here. You don't?
I just went through a phase where I was watching porn a lot, and I just decided to cut that out because to me, I felt wrong, and that was heavy too. So I cut out porn even because to me, porn was still fantasizing, even if I wasn't fantasizing another person into the male. It still was fantasizing. So to me,
Nah,
it's still
I like
considered
it.
cheating.
Now, when I get with
Everybody
Shauna
likes
every
newness.
once in a while, I might put on some Cool Mo D or something, and, you know,
And do
watch
what
it.
with it? Come
Huh?
on, D.
And watch it.
And watch porn?
You ain't up on Cool Mo D?
I am, but I'm saying what? I'm trying to actually bring both of that porn and Kumo D together, and I'm trying to, how the hell did that actually go together?
No.
Who's it?
He must be.
Oh, it must be a porn star, Kumo D.
Shit, some
Oh!
freaky shit.
Y'all know about Kumo D?
I don't know.
A man can
Another
sleep with
rapper.
a woman and
See.
hate her, and I mean kissing and all. A woman can't do that unless that's her perfection. These men, everybody likes newness.
So what's your sign?
Leo all day, baby.
Leo.
I'm a Leo.
Okay. What about
The
you?
best sign.
Capricorn.
You just had a birthday. Happy belated birthday.
Thank you.
Kumo,
My Aries.
I'm a Pisces. I like to swim.
Scorpio.
Scorpio.
Aw,
So,
So I'm the
There
only
you,
real
man.
sign here?
what's your,
Sagittarius.
So if someone cheats on
what's your sign, partner?
you, is it get
Taurus.
back?
Nah,
I
look.
love Tauruses.
Listen,
How
let's
I
just
deal
be
with it?
straight up.
How I have deal with it.
Yeah.
Everybody loves sex.
Right.
Of course.
Yeah.
Everybody loves sex.
Every day, all day.
But I think a lot of people, and I'm saying women, and I don't badger them. I think that y'all love sex more than we do, and I'm gonna tell you why.
Oh, I'll agree. I'll agree. But the
Do you
older
play?
I get,
Do you play it yourself?
Yeah.
yeah.
Do you play it
Oh,
yourself?
hell yeah. I'm just.
You play it yourself? Without that,
Yeah.
without that roll.
I don't
Yeah.
never used that before.
Me neither.
Yeah, you can please. I believe
Yeah,
that.
me too.
You can.
And without the effort, without
I've had sex.
them
and
throwing off the
afterwards,
pH balance,
and still
without all
have
that
to
stuff.
masturbate. And it has nothing to do with the man because I'm tapping
You
out.
just
with
once
him.
you get in, you in, huh?
I just want to really, really come differently the way I know I.
They say
can
they want
for
me to show you.
show me. Yeah.
That's her right there. She a freak by nature.
Ah!
But look, though, I like this show because we up here chilling.
Right.
We talking the shit we want to talk.
That's right.
You know, I don't sugarcoat shit, and we ain't.
There's too much going on out here to be lying.
My
to
thing,
them.
I just want everybody, whatever they doing, just be safe with it.
Yeah.
Right.
Because if you cheat, you cheat. If you loving that person that you're cheating with, that's on you. Because she say she cheated about 4 or 5 times.
I didn't say how many times. I just said more than once.
He's trying to get you in there.
But that was good though.
4 or 5 times.
That was good though.
He trying to get you in there.
He tried. He like he
Do not
tried.
play poker with him.
He tried it. But I bought that big ace on there,
Oh,
that
yeah,
big
you
joke
did.
on his ass. He tried it though.
But
Carry
listen,
on, sir.
though, what makes y'all cheat? I want just one good answer.
I cheated back, so
When the last time you cheated? About 5, 6 years ago?
it was like 10.
10 years ago? Was it good?
Cheated? Yeah, because I was driving him crazy.
You was on the top of them driving?
I'm not talking about the sex.
Oh, I
I was
thought.
driving the person I was
You
cheating
said,
on
why is
crazy.
sharing considered cheating?
He deserved it though.
I'm gonna let somebody else answer that, though.
What she
Cheating
said?
don't gotta be
He said,
sexual.
"Why is sharing considered cheating?"
Can you answer that?
Because it's not your mate you're with. You're with somebody else besides just your mate.
Well, then that's contradicting what the hell you just said.
I said I never did, but you guys are trying to tell me girls is cheating too. So that's why I'm
It
trying to
is.
tell
It
you why.
is.
And that's probably why.
Okay.
The worst part
That's the only
of
reason
cheating
why it
is
makes
not
sense.
even sexually, it's mentally.
Yeah, the mental
Because
part.
if a guy kiss a girl, if my boyfriend kiss a girl, I'm gonna take that worse than having sex. And I know that's crazy, but don't
Really?
go kissing nobody. Like I take that personal. If you're kissing on her and I'm with you, it's cheating mentally.
So you just don't like. So us just say, if he's like, give me, that's it. You'll cry over that.
If a guy kisses a girl and he's in a relationship, if my boyfriend kisses a girl, that's gonna be a bigger problem. It's
Than
gonna
having
be a
sex.
major problem.
So he can stick his dick in her, but not his
No,
tongue.
he can't. But what I'm saying
in the
is,
mouth.
it's a difference between me having sex with your man and me having sex and kissing your man. Do you get that?
I do get that.
Two different things. If I had sex
This is my
with your
question though. Now
She's
I
saying
have.
intimacy was.
But if I
think
had
it's
sex
the
with
same.
you,
I did too.
that's
I
a
did.
story.
So let me ask you something. Why women to suck dick but they won't kiss?
I can't answer
Kissing is
that.
personal.
Sucking dick ain't? Shit,
I
I
can't
won't grab
answer
my
that. I
lips
can't.
around
I
nobody's
think
dick like
sucking dick
that.
is personal.
You
I
don't
think-
you
I
can't
think-
to
I
every
like
guy.
that. That's more personal than kissing.
I think what she just said because
Some people I don't want to exchange.
you don't like this.
I don't want. Some people I don't. They don't know how to kiss.
Well, the mouth have more germs than anything.
I don't
the
want
mouth
their
have a
tongue
lot
in
of
my
germs.
mouth. I don't want
the
their
most
DNA
germs.
on
You
me.
don't kiss
Like that.
everybody. You can't kiss
Yeah,
everybody.
the mouth have a lot of germs.
So you would suck a dick before you kiss a person?
I didn't say
If
none
you
of
ain't
that.
kissing them, you ain't fucking.
I will.
either.
If it came
You
down
won't
to it,
kiss
if
me,
I
you
was
don't
with a
suck
guy,
me.
What about
Which
you
one
saying
you like? Kiss
I've
or
been in a
suck?
relationship with a guy and never kissed
Nah,
him.
talk to me.
I
girl.
like
Sucking more.
no, I think kissing is more
You don't
intimate.
like. You don't like.
Thank
sucking.
you. It is.
Sucking dick is it's not for me, it's for them.
Oh no, it's for me. I'm so sorry.
It ain't for
It's
me.
all for me.
You don't suck your husband?
Yeah, but it's for his
Oh,
sexual
no,
gratification.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
No.
You can please him.
You can
No,
please him.
I'm coming while
That's
I'm
why I do
sucking
it
your
to
dick.
Oh, I can't
I'm
come
so
off sucking
sorry.
no
It's
dick.
for me.
So, I mean, everybody teaches them,
I'm
but I
so-
can't come
I'm
off
so
sucking your
sorry.
dick.
It's to please.
I'm all
God.
about the soul exchange.
It's not a problem. It's just not, I've never been able to come off sucking dick.
No, you're pleasing him.
I'm pleasing him. That's
dick
his
to
for him to come off of.
No, please. That helps me.
Don't look at me with them lips. I don't do
I
it.
know how well.
You know what? How connected are you to a
I'm saying, look.
female?
Huh?
How can you say that as a female?
How can I say what is a
how
female?
connected
Do you
to
come
men?
up? Do you come up just eating somebody's pussy?
If y'all believe females be lying to y'all,
Do you
can't
come up
get
eating
a girl
pussy?
coming off a
They
certain-
can-
Okay, so what's the problem? Then why not?
You know what though?
Right.
I'm saying it
Why
get
not?
me right. It
You said
get
why
me.
not?
Yeah, why are you not coming
Listen.
off eating pussy?
Listen.
I didn't say I was going. I ain't saying. Come. I
That's
just,
what she's talking
You
about.
just said
Listen,
me.
listen, I ain't no lie though. You know what? It's just me.
Message,
Listen,
nigga,
I
stop
come
playing
for
with
you,
me.
you come for me. That's what we doing.
listen,
Maybe
listen.
Hey.
I'm gonna tell you something.
What little Uzi Bird say? Just say what you want. Just say what you want.
Listen.
I'ma
say that.
like it wasn't like something you like to do, but I'm
No,
saying
I'm not
as
saying
a
it's not
female,
something
I
like
think that's something you're supposed to like. to do.
Supposed to?
You supposed to like
supposed to
you
like
only suck dick so the people you like.
Supposed to
don't
like
suck
sucking
every
dick?
No, but
What
for
to the person that you like? She's
Everybody, for one, everybody don't like sucking dick. Like all men don't like eating pussy.
I
But
think
for
it's
pleasing.
it's a must. You
It's
got
a
to.
must
Let
for
me
you
say
because
this.
you
Let me say
like
this.
getting your dick
I'm
sucked.
saying,
Yeah,
look.
sure I do.
You know,
But it's a
but everybody don't like
Yes.
that.
I ain't
Can I
sucking
say
everybody,
something?
nigga.
Sure.
You must
And
got a
I'm
lot
just
of
gonna
love.
say this.
You must got it back.
Me.
Like, you know, you must be good in other things where you don't have to.
You know, like,
I'm good at sucking dick, but that don't
Just
mean
say
that
something
I don't come off of it.
Right.
okay,
Oh,
y'all
that's
want
what
to
we
see it?
talking
Yeah.
about.
Yes.
Oh, I
They
thought
say
you
say
you
what
like
you just
it.
said again.
No,
They
that
say
ain't what she said.
Which one?
what's the last word you said? They want to know what you just said.
I'm good at sucking dick, but I just don't
Yeah.
come off of it.
That's what she said.
Yeah,
So, but
I
look,
don't
no.
come from sucking.
Oh,
Dick.
yeah.
Hold on, let me say this. Now me,
I can come by just him talking to me. Or looking
I
at me.
like
Oh,
when I when I give my baby head, that make my dick strong and strong. I don't need no pill, no Viagra, no what them things called?
I don't
CT.
need- I don't need-
I don't need that.
He's like, I don't even know.
But do you come off giving her head?
No,
Get my
we
tip,
don't.
my dick, get what?
That ain't what I asked.
Yeah, but you know.
We ain't talking about the pre-cum.
That's
We talking about do you bust a nut?
No, he don't.
No.
Okay then. So what's the problem then?
But women
What you
can
ask
come
for?
and not
I'm
orgasm.
not busting on no.
Yeah,
I can
boy, ain't never
pre-cum.
busting
Cap,
on
you said
that
cap, huh?
either.
I'm not busting
Off
on
your
no
head.
going down on a woman.
Oh, okay. So I was just
I don't
wondering
expect you did. I thought you just said you didn't like doing it.
why. I ain't say that.
Okay.
You like it though?
It's cool. It's sex.
Good sex.
It's good sex. Sex is sex.
Okay, question.
Oh shit! Follow up.
What up?
Question. So, do y'all have sex as a woman? Do y'all have sex with different men differently?
Yeah.
Or is sex still the same?
It's not the same.
No, not the same.
It depends. It goes off connections.
It's
It's
energy.
different. It's different.
Connections,
with
emotions, and
based on
stuff.
the connection
If you're not
yeah.
connected to somebody mentally, or you're not feeling them mentally, then the sex is gonna be different. Your pussy is not gonna get as wet either.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Your body is not gonna vibe with that person either.
I don't respect that.
I agree. You know what I'm saying? Like men, they can get hard and they good, fine. You know, they stay hard. But females, we go off emotions.
You
You know
can't
what,
say
though?
that. That's not
You
true
know
for all
what?
men. Some men.
I like having sex, and I like, my dick let me know when y'all coming.
Mm-hmm.
That motherfucker get juicy and shoot all on the side. I be like, damn, that shit sexy as hell.
Macaroni in the pot.
But sometimes the girl is wet, she can't.
Hey,
No, it don't. It don't mean her body. You hit a nice spot
Just
right
because the
there.
girl is wet don't mean she can't. Girls loud.
I know when Shauna pop.
Thank
I
you,
know when
Tiffany.
Shauna
Ooh,
pop
great
off.
job.
But it gets tight and then
I know when Shauna
Yeah,
come.
I
That
swear they know. I be like,
I
you
am
have no
on
idea.
bird.
I know when my baby
Bird.
coming. I
Not
know.
TV, sweetheart.
You can feel it,
Yes.
you know,
I know it's a
tighten
different.
up on you.
Right, and not only that,
Right here.
it get
Think of nothing else
juicier
you
and
wanna
wetter
ask
and
me.
wetter.
That's
Like
what
waterfall.
attraction is. That's what
You know what I'm saying? I'm talking that shit. You think you a
the
Scorpio?
attraction you got
Yeah,
to the
Scorpio.
person.
Okay, yeah, my son was a Scorpio.
And see, my thing is, beautiful women, black women, fat women, short women, y'all cheat.
What the hell you keep talking about us?
You've been
for?
cheated on a lot.
He is a woman, baby.
Have you been cheated on a lot? You need to heal from
Yeah.
it. That's what I want to know.
You-
No, I just,
Because
I
trauma
just know,
bonds
because
are
I
good.
be keeping shit like, it's a grocery store. It's a grocery store, and I watch them by every couple of weeks. I'm like, damn, she pulling up again.
At the grocery store?
And then when I look inside the car, she cheating with a woman.
What? Who is this?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I just watch. I
First of all,
just
who goes
watch.
to the grocery store that much?
And why is it
Who
that
goes to
she?
the grocery store that much?
Who
She
go?
in a hotel?
The people that's cheating.
But you in there all the time too. You just said.
Nah, I just have my.
Are you
reasons
just
of being there.
insinuating and you're assuming?
No.
You asked her,
He
you
said
went
every
over and
week you
talked
go
to
to
her,
the
you
grocery
asked her if
store.
she was cheating?
I know she cheating.
So somebody in the car giving the other lady.
Because let me tell you something.
Thank you, Missy. They say loving this topic. I'm on Bird Talk podcast, baby.
In the projects, right?
BirdTV.com.
In the projects, we used to have. You remember Dana Casino? Dana used to do it a lot.
Cheating in the parking lot.
Maybe she was usually cheating. I think it's for people that are
Y'all
damaged
cheat,
and
y'all
they need
cheat.
to
Let me
heal.
ask you, what was she doing? Were they actually in the car? They put the seat back. It's two females, right, in the car? Is it two females or a female and the guy in the car?
They trust me, so.
The female pull up,
Mm-hmm.
and the other female jump out and get in the car and they go.
That don't mean you cheating.
No, stop. Now see, I'm a spy. I'm a spy.
You followed her to find out where she was
Listen,
going,
listen.
what she was doing.
Cause I'm like, this strange to me.
But I don't understand why they cheap ass want to go get a hotel.
Because she might have a man at home. No, they ain't fucking the car. That's where they went.
To the hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, they went in the same car together as if that.
You should have asked her because obviously
No,
she ain't right in
because
the head.
I ain't gonna do all that. I already know. I got my, when they went
She
up
ain't
on
right in the head.
when they went up on 9 Mile, I ain't gonna say what room, but when they went on 9 Mile,
You already know.
I said, oh,
You followed them for the
Oh, you
yeah, I
you
wanted
want St.
to
Clair
be
Shores.
nosy. I wanted to be nosy.
You
I
want the one
wanted
at the St. Clair
I want-
Shores.
Who?
The
I ain't
woman
gonna
St.
say
Clair
which
Shores.
one it is. Look, I wanted to be nosy because they both cold pieces.
Right.
And fine women like being with fine women.
So why do you think that they're
I know
cheating
that was
on
a
their
beautiful
spouse? Why do you
situation.
think they're cheating on their spouse?
My ex-best friend
Because
husband used to say the same
the
thing
ring,
about us.
the bling bling.
You can see it a mile away.
And I say, damn, you know, I'm just saying.
What about
They
porn?
say you nosy,
You think-
the bird. They nosy bird.
Because I'm talking about, I wonder really how I like, damn, is y'all really doing this? But, you know, I ain't want to. Whoop, whoop,
Is
whoop.
porn considered cheating when the guy does it for his job?
Unbelievable.
Because they got wedding rings on all the time, men and female that are porn actors.
We talking about body to body, man. We ain't talking about no.
That's
No.
not body to body, that's fake all the way around.
What, a man, what they doing? What they doing?
A porn star.
Okay.
And they're married. But that's their
job, though.
job.
He getting
That's still
paid.
conceded?
Yeah, it's still.
Wow.
What up, though?
Hey.
You can ask her.
What's up?
Hi.
Best friend, can I ask you a question? Do you cheat?
Yeah.
There you go.
That's what I love about my people. That's what I love about my peoples. Best friend, you cheat a lot?
Yeah, I cheated.
Well, y'all need you to come over here and get in this. Because I'm ready to turn up. Give me a shot of this shit. No, I don't drink. Let me say, I don't drink. Y'all know I don't drink. This ain't nothing but that red shit. Give me 10. Give me 10. I want to put it. Come on out of here. Because,
Yeah, it's deep.
ain't nothing wrong with cheating. I just don't do it.
Ooh, Lord.
You is funny.
I don't do it. All right. And look,
But he knew about that hotel, though.
He followed her.
I followed because I
Y'all
wanted
believe
to.
that? Y'all believe that?
People, I don't believe that.
Watch
he,
this,
he
watch
was
this,
probably
y'all.
at the hotel.
Watch this,
so he
y'all.
followed her from the
Nah,
grocery
listen.
store.
I don't need that.
I followed her from the grocery
Come
store.
here, best friend.
So you bought him the grocery store.
No, I was saying where we used to stay out in the project. What was that, Farmer Jacks?
See,
And
Farmer
when-
Jacks?
Yeah, when we was little, I used to see, cause his
how y'all
he's
doing?
like his uncle's like my dad,
Mm-hmm.
and we used to go up there all the time. You know, cause we was little kids, we used to go up there and get all the cans, everything, right? And Dana used to cheat. And then once I started getting a little old, I put two and two together. Like, damn, she was sucking that nigga dick.
In the parking lot?
Parking lot. You remember the Blue Eagle? The ice cream truck.
He was enjoying himself.
Oh.
So now I'm grown. I investigated a lot of shit. Them two women went to the room. I don't know what they was doing. They was getting on.
They not okay. Maybe they brought another guy in. They were meeting a man there.
No, I ain't no.
Did you see a guy go in there?
I know wasn't no guy in there.
Did you wait for him to come?
No, I ain't waiting.
How long did you stay in that parking lot waiting for them?
I just wanted to see. Look.
Hey, what time was it when you got there?
Kumo. Look.
He said Kumo D. Did he say Kumo D?
Kumo, look. When they put it in, I went past. I said, okay, I already know what it is.
I done seen that before.
Come here.
He put that show on and watched, or whatever that was. Kumo.
I got. You said name was Kumo.
Now listen. I was waiting on you. Just got here. Look. You like to cheat,
No, I'm not gonna say I like to cheat.
but you just cheat.
I will cheat though. Yep.
Now, what was your reason to be to cheat?
Getting back.
Mm-hmm.
See, thank you.
Getting back.
Same thing.
Sometimes just like on some bullshit, maybe a little bit.
Why she look so familiar? There's my name. I don't know.
What on her?
Yeah, we got you right here, man.
So y'all cheat for revenge?
Yeah.
Said,
I only did it twice because he really deserved it. The only reason why I did it because he kept going between I realized he kept going between his baby mama and his ex, and I was the third victim. So
She said victim.
Because I realized I was the third victim of his long history of cheating. He needed to learn what it felt like. And to this day, he still be trying to get back with me. He
They hate
cheated.
when we do it.
Huh?
There's a
They
problem.
hate when
We do it.
Yeah.
Ooh, y'all
I was
do it.
driving him
Probably
crazy
do it.
because I wasn't doing it to be sneaky. I was letting him see that I was doing it without letting him see. I wanted him to feel how I
So
felt.
when you fuck,
I didn't. The worst. It wasn't It wasn't necessary that I was cheating sexually. I was just going out, hanging out, doing things.
Oh, that wasn't no get back.
well, no get back.
Yes, it was.
Get back.
Look, Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
ain't
Because
That's cheating.
driving a guy crazy is getting
No,
back.
he just
Sex-
soft.
No.
That way don't get
That ain't
back.
no cheating. That
If
ain't no-
driving
Get back, you might as well get back.
that ain't no
driving
cheating.
the car
If
crazy.
you gonna do it, you might as well do
Was
it
he
right.
a cancer?
If I'm flying out of town
Was he
doing
a
all these
cancer?
things and I'm your girlfriend, trust me, that's getting you back.
You made him mad.
You
Right,
hurt
but
his
you ain't
feelings.
right.
A
You hurt his
regular
feelings.
cheating is sex.
You-
I'm flying out of town, getting all type of
Nah,
new stuff.
you just hurt his
That's a
feelings.
whole.
Whatever you don't want your
That's a
mate doing.
whole
That's
life.
what cheating is.
That's a whole different cheating.
Nah, fuck that. I think if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it right, motherfucker.
That is doing it right. You level it up. You not just. If you're gonna cheat, it needs to
I
be
know
a
I'm crazy, girl.
benefit. Being cheated is not beneficial. If I'm gonna cheat, it's gonna be beneficial. If I'm flying out of town doing all these things, that's cheating a different way. Like,
I
I
can
ain't gonna
see
be wasting
that.
my
I can see
time
that. I can see
cheating.
that. I can see that.
Yeah.
So, best friend, tell us. You say because he was cheating, and you decide to jump overboard to go out there and stretch your legs out.
Yeah, 'cause at this point, you hurting
That's a
my
wild-
feelings and ain't giving a fuck. So I'm going to cheat.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was good.
Oh, that hurt
And it's
poor
your
man. Well, y'all don't tell it.
Was it good? though?
It was good.
And you
Fucking shots.
came home, took a bath like ain't nothing happened.
No, when I did it, I was gone for 2 days. Then I came home.
See what I'm saying? That's a different level.
You was with him
of
for 2
cheating.
days?
Yeah.
Sex is.
Oh, that was a good back. That was a
Was
good
he
get
caught?
back.
Was he blowing
That
your
was
phone
a
up?
fucking good get back right there.
Everything out the house.
Exactly.
He did.
I swear to God. And I came home to literally a cold house. He had the Bible open. Oh, my
She hurt me.
Put your hand right here. Put your hand
She
right
hurt his feelings.
I swear.
Hey, they say.
What was your shit?
Tell them what you did
Cause she was gone for 2 days.
I was gone for 2 days.
and what you do.
I was out
You
fucking.
got busted open.
Bang, bang.
Bust it.
That's how y'all gonna say it?
Did you get free?
Yeah.
You got free.
He made love to me, I think.
Oh, she said he
Okay.
made love,
He
baby.
made love. Are you still with him?
No, we was never together. It was
Oh, just a fuck
fun.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's still my dog.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
So that's still your boo, your friend.
I didn't know
Y'all
nothing.
It ain't fun no more.
Because
It was only
The
fun
thrill.
because of that whole.
Till I get back to make
Oh,
him
that's
Make him
feel
drive
how
him
he
crazy.
That's
terrible.
See how that- see how that go.
That's bold.
That is bold.
Y'all should talk to them.
don't get your feelings hurt now. You don't. The warning is when you did what you
That's
did.
bold.
You got a warning when you did what you did.
I feel like it's different when a man cheats and a woman cheats.
No,
Don't
women
matter.
can't
I
get
feel
over
like
the
y'all
pain.
Tomato,
not
tomato.
supposed to cheat.
tomato.
It's different.
So we
No, it
gonna be
ain't.
flunkies.
I'm just
Okay,
saying.
well, look.
It's a little difference.
We
Y'all just
understand.
can't take it like we could.
Listen, we understand that everybody doing their thing and ain't nothing wrong with it.
It's over.
My time is cutting down, and
Oh, this is not
I would
me.
love to do this again.
Oh, definitely.
And
Thank you.
we all on freak nature. I just freak China, and that's it. I ain't doing all
You gotta
that.
keep saying that. He don't want no problems at home. He don't want no problems at home. Hey, Shauna must be watching, baby.
Go there, baby.
Crack his
listen,
goddamn head
but
walk through that door.
I enjoy y'all. Thank y'all for coming to Bird Talk.
Thank you, sir. For
Oh,
having
we
me.
don't
thank
do
you
this
so much for
again.
having us.
Thank you, Kumo. Thank you.
Yes.
You're welcome,
Thank my
babe.
partner. Thank my other partner, Casino. Thank my sister. I got to battle with her for some more of the business.
No different, miss.
But we love y'all, and I thank you for coming too, even though you late. I wanted you to really be here. Next time, I'm gonna put a whole new posse up with you, my 5 or 6 year old girl, and we gonna set the stage off, and I want y'all to come back.
Can we talk about where? Can
we
we
finished?
put our name out?
Yeah,
Who we
go
are?
ahead. Yeah,
Are we off there?
yeah. I'm gonna tell you what's your
Who you
name.
are?
Where they can find you at?
Oh, my name is Crystal Kinn-Tarver. Go by the name Honey B or Honey Beige. I'm also on the show 313 podcast every Saturday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. I am also an authoress. My first book, Dilemmas of Loving You Is Wrong. Second book, The Dom, Her Game, Her Rules, because it's all about us. Baby, go check it out. It's on Amazon. What you got to say?
I am Kimberly with Unseen Twisted Truths. We are do what I said at yahoo.com.
Oh, that's what they do.
No, we are the People's Podcast. We are the People's Podcast.
Yes.
And we are here for each other to let people be known and heard and help one another grow for unity.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I'm Cool Maurice, a.k.a. BSD Chill, and I'm the man, the myth, the legend. Appreciate you, Bird.
All the time.
Introduces. Cool Vibe introduces.
Oh, yeah, Cool Vibes Introduces, tapped in, too. So everybody tune in. It's a Facebook group, so just follow me there.
Sis, you want to say something?
I'm okay.
All right.
And Scribble Steve, you can catch me on Instagram at Scribble Steve. You know, check me there.
Okay.
You already know who I am, the big one, the sexy one. BirdTV, baby, get at me.
That don't cheat and love Shonda, baby.
I love your.
Ain't
Yes,
nothing
I
wrong
do.
with it, man. Ain't nothing
Yes,
wrong
I
with
do.
it. Ain't nothing wrong
Yes, I do.